Hi, Kai. Week 30.
Yep.
Looks like you've got art. So he's starting with art.
So last week I did monochromatics, and this week I did a little bit more detailing with monochromatics. This is a mountain range. You can see the dark over here defying the shadows, and then the kind of darkness here in the shade, and then we have the sunset, the horizon line going straight across. You can see a faint horizon line because the white wasn't able to completely
Beautiful.
wash it away. But yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go fast so it
And
uploads
so then
fast.
to math, one of my
Just pick
one of my
something you
favorite
learned.
things I learned was ratio problems.
Okay.
That's like, what would be an example? A number over a number equals a number, and then it tells you certain qualities for the problem and how many of a certain ratio is in it. Like it could be 4 over 5,
Okay.
and then it has an unknown number over like 500.
Okay.
And that shows how to solve those. You solve the 4 times the 500 in a cross section, and then you do the 5 times the number, and then you divide the 4 times 500 by the 5, and then you are left with that.
Perfect. Okay, I'm sorry to push you ahead. It just takes a long time to
I did
upload
this
these.
letter.
Oh,
I did
right.
this fictional letter that I was sending to a fictional character.
It was fantastic.
Yep.
It was really good.
And
what book? Remember, you had to choose a book.
The
What
Giver.
book?
I
You
chose
chose
The
The
Giver.
Giver. Okay.
And then for history,
For science, you did entropy experiment.
Yes.
And so when you used a hot and a cold jar. Which one moves quicker?
The hot water, because the entropy, law of entropy, it says that in warm, that stuff can go from warm to cold to warm. It can only go from cold to warm, and so the cooler food coloring became more immersed in the hot water.
Yes, and so it colored it almost
Yeah.
immediately, but when you had the cold water and you dropped the food coloring in,
Yes,
it just kind of dropped to the bottom.
Gradual. Yeah.
Perfect. History. Give me
So
something
for
good.
history, I've been learning about nuclear projects during the World War II era,
And you're reading the book Bomb.
the bomb, and then history of science. Einstein adds a new dimension.
Okay, I think we're good.
All right.